Today I am going to discuss about the lymphatic systems in our body. Lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that helps to get rid of toxins, waste and unwanted things from our body. It acts as a barrier between the bacteria and virus which attacks through our body. There are so many lymph nodes in our body. If we activate them, it helps to boost our immunity level during this pandemic situation. So here are a few exercises to improve the lymphatic system. I am going to share with you. To activate this lymphatic system, here I am going to share a few exercises that you can practice on a regular basis in this pandemic situation, and also it helps to boost your immune system. First exercise I am going to share with you is, there are so many lymph nodes in our body. First, just pull your earlobes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, you have to pull your earlobes and up to 5 to 10 times. And although the second one is, you have to catch your earlobes and just gently pedal it. 5 and reverse it. This helps to increase the activation of the lymphatic system. In olden days, in schools, we used to get the punishment of catching the ears. That is not a punishment actually. It is a scientific system only to help to boost our immune system, and it also helps to improve the concentration and memory power of the kids. The second one, it is the nodes present in our arms, armpits and the shoulders. So you have to shrug your shoulders like this up to 10 repetitions. Just shrug your shoulders. It activates our lymph nodes. The another one is, just you have to shrug your shoulders till your earlobes, and then just exhale with the sound. Let's repeat one more time. First, before starting this, you have to inhale. Inhale. This is called shoulder lifts. The another one is shoulder pumping. Now you have to inhale, raise your shoulder, hold the breath, then pump your shoulders. If you can't hold the breath, just release it. You can do like this also. You can make your hands like this first, and then you inhale, hold your breath and start pumping. When you can't hold the breath for longer, you just release it, exhale through your mouth. Another important one is, just assume that you are in front of a candle. So we are going to blow it. So first what you have to do is, you have to inhale from your abdomen. Now exhale. Imagine that you are blowing a candle. Do this also 10 repetitions. Whatever exercises I told you, you have to do at least 10 repetitions any time of the day. You can do at your own convenient pace. Just once again, I am doing the same one. Inhale. Exhale, blow the candle. The another one is a similar one with a slight variation. Just assume that you are placing 5 different candles in front of you, and you are going to blow the 5 candles. So you just inhale from your abdomen, feel from the abdomen You have to inhale from your abdomen. So you have to blow it like a balloon. Exhale. Relax. This helps to pump more oxygen levels to your lungs. Sit. Come on, sit. So please do follow these exercises to improve your immunity power and see the difference, and also it helps to improve the lung capacity also in during this pandemic situation. And please don't panic. Even with the mild symptoms of COVID also can practice this. Even who are self-isolation can do this practice on a regular basis. It helps a lot in your daily routine.